let's talk about JASMYcoin real quick. The Japanese Bitcoin is currently trading around 0.0166. We are left with 1 hour and 30 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. Now, our target for this bear flag almost got hit, but nearly doesn't kill a bird, right? So we dipped all the way to 0.0145 and then got a reversal from there as a result of the Powell speech regarding the rate cut we are expecting for the month of September 2025. But let's not forget that Jasmy just tapped into a resistance zone. If the sentiment behind this bullish reversal is not solid enough, I think I won't be surprised seeing a rejection on the price of JASMYcoin. But if the sentiment is bullish enough to sustain this pump we had, then we are not going to retrace the pump. Then we should expect Jasmy to easily flip the 0.071 zone into a support. The moment that is happening, then we are going to definitely rally hard to the 2-cent zone. Now, the 2-cent zone has been a stumbling block for the price of Jasmy for several weeks now. This 2-cent zone is a very, very significant level. Now, as you guys can see, we have 85.3% probability of getting a rate cut by September 17, 2025, and also a 14.7% of not getting a rate cut for the month of September. Now, we are going to briefly talk about the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame. I'm expecting a massive rejection on the, let's even talk about it now before we go back to JASMYcoin. I'm expecting a massive rejection on the BTC dominance to usher Jasmy into a massive parabolic phase where the price of Jasmy will be rallying hard into the banana zone. A lot of people watching this video right now will wish they bought more before we take off. Like I've said countless times, they take off. I think we are almost close to the end of the tunnel now. Like seriously, a lot of people are still going to get sidelined, are still going to miss out, sadly. Now, the last time the BTC dominance dumped aggressively, this is on the monthly time frame. The last time we dumped aggressively in the last market cycle, altcoins rallied hard to the upside. The last time we dumped in 2021 market cycle, altcoin rallied aggressively to the upside. The BTC dominance usually bottoms around 39-40% level. So you wouldn't want to be holding your altcoin bag when we get to that price. And that is why I'm going to be exiting more than 90% of my altcoin positions by the time the BTC dominance gets to the 44-42% zone. I'm going to be selling almost everything and wait for the market reset to buy cheaper. I'm going to be updating you guys on the Telegram channel as well. Now, this is the BTC dominance on the weekly. So by the time we lose this 55% level, retest it as resistance, then it's going to be, I think the altcoin market should enter into the banana phase by the time we lose the 55% level for the BTC dominance. Let's not forget that Ethereum just tapped into a resistance zone as well. Now, if you're paying attention to the setup so far, you'll notice Ethereum just tapped into the resistance zone, which is a significant level on both the weekly time frame and on the monthly time frame. Why Why Jasmy just tapped into a breaker block, a bearish breaker block level as well on the 4-hour time frame. That is to say, the next price move for Ethereum is going to make or break altcoins, including JASMYcoin. If the price of Ethereum is retracing from here, we should be expecting a 4K level this time around, properly tap into the 4K level. And if that is happening, the likes of Jasmy is going to retrace as well. And I think maybe that is when we are going to properly feel this point of interest. This point of interest is going to be the zone whomever is yet to position properly into Jasmy to set massive entry opportunity. Because I gave you guys this point of interest several weeks ago, and this point of interest has played out multiple times. Seriously. Now, we came close to the point of interest zone and then got a massive send. Now, well, I would happily like to be proven wrong if this rally is sustained and continued to the upside. Seriously, I will happily, because that will mean we are entering into the altcoin season faster than I imagine. I think the month of September is likely to be bullish for the altcoin market, the month of October, November as well. considering the rate cut that is coming. The rate cut is going to mark the beginning of the end for this market cycle. Now, if you're paying attention to the rate cut Powell's speech overview, situation suggests downside risks to employment rising, tariff effects on consumer price now clearly visible. Base case is that tariff impact on inflation will be short-lived. So in conclusion, a rate cut is now on the table for the month of September, and rate cut equally means more liquidity, fresh liquidity into the market. I think the market is now positioned to rally parabolic to the upside. So if Ethereum is taking out her resistance, then it means that this pump is going to be sustained and the likes of Jasmy is going to explode alongside Ethereum. Like seriously. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. And if you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button if you haven't already. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, my name is Isaac, you're welcome. The market is now looking tricky because BTC just tapped into a huge liquidity pool. I was expecting BTC to correct all the way to $110,000 price, but we never got to that level. My entry price didn't even get filled as well. My entry price was below the $110,000 zone, which is around $109,000. But it didn't get filled. We got a reversal from $111,684 for BTC and rallied hard all the way to $117,429 as a result of the Powell speech regarding the rate cut in September. So fingers crossed, if we are not retracing this pump, then I think BTC is going to $120,000 and maybe probably take out the previous all-time high. And if that is happening, Ethereum is likely to follow suit, while the BTC dominance is likely to continue dumping, and the likes of Jasmy is going to rally hard parabolic to the upside. The moment Jasmy is taking out the 2 cent level, like I've said countless times, then we are going to enter into a full-blown rally for Jasmy Coin into the banana zone. As always, my name is Isaac. Like this video if you haven't already, smash the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Peace out.